Guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Now, I'm going to talk about today a little bit of a uncharacteristic play that I made previously that I did take a look at a couple days ago. Just wanted to be completely transparent, and it is Terra Classic, LUNC, Lunk, you can call it. And this is, if you don't know anything about Terra, this was a project that did dump and did depeg from UST last year, and really going through tremendous problems, fell off a cliff. If you look at this chart, went from an all-time high of $105 and collapsed last year around May, and has never recovered. Now, I did profit a good bit on the crash, guys. I did. Don't know if I'm proud about it, but I definitely saw opportunity when it was crashing. I did buy around here right after the crash, and you know, I know a lot of people got wrecked. I just saw opportunity and I took it, and was able to cash out around here on that play. So that's my history with Terra Luna. It was a pure price action play. That's all it was. I've never seen, like, because usually, like, most of my assets that we buy are long-term plays. So I've never seen a project. I've never been a part of a project just dumping like that on me, ever. So when I saw this, I said, wow, from 100, and I saw the all-time high about 100 so dollars, about 110, 115, and to pull back and go to zero, I said, whoa, this might be an opportunity. So I did buy a bag, and I did do pretty well with the trade. And then a couple days ago, I started looking at Luna again, and I saw it pumped again. So I said, oh, shoot, it's happening again. And so I did buy a bag around here. I brought a decent bag around here. Now, I don't think it's going to pump, but I did start thinking that people are very much incentivized for this to come alive. So I started doing a little bit of research, and I saw that there is some opportunity there with Lunk. I think there is potential. It is high risk. Like, this is a high risk play. Like, by all means, this is not anything that we typically talk about here on the channel. This is a very high risk setup, but definitely think that there could be potential, because I do think there's a lot of people holding bags. And the reason why I say that is because if you look at CoinMarketCap, it's at 80, and the market cap is 840 million on CoinMarketCap. So I definitely think people are stuck holding bags. With that being said, I think people are incentivized for this project to hit $1. That's my theory. I think there's a lot of incentive for this project, for people to pump this project up so people can get their bags out. Because I know people that are holding, or were holding, hundreds and thousands, if not millions, of this token before the collapse. So let's dive a little bit into the history. Luna Classic proposal, and we'll dive into that. But let me actually dive into most recently the SEC triumphs over Terraform Labs latest update, which is why this pullback is happening. A court declared Luna and MIR a security. Lunk's price drops. Token may reverse to upside as soon as development goes off the radar. But pretty much they're saying it turns bearish after a judge in charge of the case concluded Terraform Labs failed to register both Luna and Mirror as securities, hence the reason for summary judgment. Lunk team has distanced itself from Do Kwon, but it's not been easy to disassociate the token from developments related from the May 22 Luna UST collapse. and it did fall off a cliff. There was opportunity if you weren't involved, and if you were involved already, because this was actually poised to really do well. I think a lot of people thought Luna was going to go and be extremely successful project until that collapse. So I did read a couple articles here, and Terra Luna Classic proposal for Community Commonwealth officially passed, LUNC up 4%. So really what happened here is a proposal for a community-led Commonwealth platform was passed with a vote. The proposal aimed to depart from the current third-party Commonwealth Forum to enhance unbiased moderation and ensure consistency by establishing an official forum. Traders reacted to the news, and among 60 validators who participated in the governance voting, 35 voted in favor, 4 voted no, 2 voted no with veto, while others voted abstain. And really an interesting thing to really see a community really voting for something that is considered dead, considered a dead project. I just saw the price action here, and I see the price point, and I'm like I said, this isn't customary for us, but I saw the price action and where it was at and how it pumped, and I just, for me, you know, I think we got in. I want to say we got in somewhere around here. I don't know. I think we got in around a support zone, so I want to say around here, around this level, and we just, for us, it was more so, what's the worst that can happen? And so a lot of people think that we're like risk averse. We don't take risks. We take risks, but it's after our portfolios are established with a good foundation. That's when we go out and we really have some fun and really test the waters a little bit. So the problem is, a lot of people come into crypto and they go right to the meme coins. They'll go right to this high risk stuff and pretty much get wrecked, and then they'll just be like, I never made money in crypto. That's because you didn't build a firm foundation in your portfolio first before going out into the deep end. Okay. So yeah, that's what I was looking at, and I wanted to kind of share that with you guys and be transparent. And I was very intrigued by the price point, only because, you know, I see what's happening, and I see that there's a lot of people that, like I said, would be incentivized from this price going to $1. There's a lot of people that are holding a wicked bag that got wrecked, and this is right after Celsius, right? So you got Celsius, and then you get wrecked by this. It was just back to back, boom, 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 and the FTX, boom, boom, boom. Like last year was ridiculous when it comes to just things falling through. And I took a look at this, and here says crypto veterans team up with new proposal to send LUNC and USTC to $1. And these plans, if implemented, apparently come with a lot of benefits to Terra Classic ecosystem. And like I said, I just think there's a lot of people with incentive for this to go to $1. I think for me, that would be the price point that I would stay away from. I'm not going to wait for this to go to $1 with the bag I have. I am cool with 50 to even a penny. A penny, I would be fine. I would say, if anything, I would say anywhere from a penny to 50 cents, I'll be out of there. I wouldn't even let it get to $1 from my end. So, with that, we'll see what happens. Just a high risk play, but I definitely wanted to share that with you guys, and really just be on the lookout for some interesting projects. We're gonna have a little bit of fun, but also we're gonna remain true to our core and remain true to what we know. Really brings us massive gains as we prepare for the next bull run. So look forward to leading you guys along this journey. Hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.